Kids, happy learning! So kids, today we will learn about various uses of water. Water is the liquid that makes life possible on earth. Drinking. All the living organisms need water to survive. We cannot live without drinking water. Cooking. Water is also used while preparing various dishes like soups, vegetables. Washing hands. We use water to clean our hands, to protect our hands from germs, bacteria, and others. Bathing. We use water for bathing to clean our body, to protect our body from germs. Birds and animals drink. Birds and animals also need water to survive. They cannot live without water like humans. Brushing teeth. We use water to brush our teeth to keep our teeth clean. Washing clothes. We also use water to clean our clothes. Watering the plants. Without water, even plants cannot live. So plants need water to survive. Vehicles cleaning. We use water for vehicles cleaning, like cars cleaning, motorcycles, bicycles, and others. Utensils cleaning. Water is also used to clean utensils like plates, glasses, jugs, spoons. Farming. Farmers also use water for growing vegetables, fruits, and others in their farms. Household cleaning. We need water for house cleaning like floor cleaning, window cleaning, and others. Swimming. We also need water for swimming. We swim in water. Industrial importance. Industries use water for processes like diluting, cooling, transporting a product. Water is very precious, so we need to save water regularly. Tips to save water. Don't let the tap remain open while washing your hands, vegetables, and others. Always take shower bath. So kids, if you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Follow for more videos.